This pasta with mint and parmesan has a refreshing zest that adds a light flavor to a simple dish. Learn how to make it with this video, brought to you by recipes.net. Bring a large pot of salted water to a boil. Add in the penne pasta and cook until tender but not mushy. Then, drain the pasta and reserve 1/4 cup of the pasta water. Transfer the pasta into a warmed bowl and add 2 to 3 tablespoons of the pasta water. Add in the butter, mint leaves, and Parmesan cheese, then toss to combine. Season with salt and freshly ground black pepper to taste and adjust accordingly. Serve with Parmesan cheese on top, garnished with a sprig of mint leaves.